All right, DIYers. I'm getting ready to replace my camshaft sensors. They're here on the side of the engine. There's two of them. So they're both right here. There's one here and there's one here. Okay? We have two of them. So that's what I'm getting ready to replace next. Both sensors. Okay, DIYers, I don't think that I said these are the part numbers for both of the replacement camshaft sensors. I got them, they're OEM parts. I got them on eBay from two separate sellers. So these are the part numbers for the camshaft sensors. We have two of them. Okay, DIYers, we have the bolts are 10 millimeter, so it's 10 millimeter bolt that I'm going to be taking out for the camshaft sensors. Okay, there's one there, and there's one here for the back one. So you got a front one, we have a back one here, and a front one here. Let me take off the back one first. Pretty long screw. I didn't realize it was that long. Okay, there's one. And here's the second one. Let me see. Where's the second screw at? Oh, it's right below it. Yeah, right below it. Okay. Got to take that one right out too. Not too bad. Okay, so let's take out the back one first. Should be able to take it right out. Let's see. Okay. That's the first one. See, make sure that you get a picture of it. That's the first one. That's the first cam sensor I'm replacing. Okay. Get that good view. It's the first one. Let's see. Here's the second one. Okay, here's the second one. Make sure. Okay, that's the second sensor that I'm replacing. Okay. So okay, DIYers. Both of these cam sensors, they appear to be in pretty good shape, actually. I don't know. I'm not going to say they're new, but they're definitely OEM parts because they're made from Japan. Says it. Where does it say it at? It says Japan. Where does it say Japan at? I just saw it. Right there. It says Japan right there. So they're both pretty good OEM parts. So I'm going to keep them as backups in case something happens with the replacement. Okay, let's put these new sensors on. See, I'll go back first. I don't need to, so we don't need to do is we don't need to oil the oil ring because there's oil in the engine cover, so we don't need to put any oil in the oil ring. I mean, you can, but you don't need to. I'm not going to. I am happy they're new, though. I'll tell you that. I'm happy about that. Okay. Okay. Let me get that in there. Okay. Let me get that in there. I'll just turn it until it gets tight. Okay. Okay, that's already there, snug. Don't need to be tight. Okay. Let's get the second one on. Let's see. Okay, let's get that in there. Okay. This is easy. My goodness, I wish all my sensors were this easy. As far as putting back on. Okay, check that back one. Just to make sure. Okay. All right, let's put the clips back on. We good, brand new. Brand new. Okay, snap. and snap. All right. New camshaft sensors. That took less than 11 minutes.